The number 6 digital product idea on our list is Instagram quote templates. As you can see, there are more than 13,000 results for this product on Etsy, but if we search the term Instagram quote templates Canva, you can see it comes down to under 10,000 results. And you can see many sellers are already profiting from selling simple and minimalistic designs, which are fairly easy to create using Canva. For example, you can look at this seller who is selling 100 Instagram quote templates for $3 and has made over 18,000 sales, and these are all simple editable Canva templates. With the high engagement rate of Instagram posts featuring quotes, creating quote templates for this platform can be a lucrative opportunity for digital product sellers on Etsy. Consider experimenting with various styles and fonts to make your design stand out from the competition. You can also customize templates for various themes and events, such as holidays, motivational quotes, or funny sayings, to attract a broader audience. With the right approach, Instagram quote templates can be a profitable and fun digital product to sell on Etsy. At number 5, we have another product related to Instagram, which is Instagram Story highlight covers. And this time also, if we add Canva to our search term, you can see it brought down the competitors to under 6,000. Instagram Story highlight covers have become an essential part of any brand or influencer's Instagram profile, as they allow users to organize their stories into specific categories, such as food, travel, beauty, or fashion. These covers can be customized to fit the brand's aesthetics and create a cohesive look on their profile, which can attract more followers and enhance their overall brand image. And you can see there's quite enough demand for pre-made editable Canva Instagram Story highlight covers. And you can see a lot of sellers are selling these simple to create editable Canva Instagram highlight covers. And you can also try and create your own unique themed Instagram Story highlights cover using Canva. Moving on to the 4th Etsy digital product idea, we have resume templates. And again, this time also adding Canva to our search term can significantly reduce the competition, bringing it down to less than 7,000 results, which is not too high and also not very low. This indicates that there is a considerable demand for pre-made editable Canva resume templates. As job seekers increasingly compete for limited job opportunities, creating a visually appealing and professional-looking resume is crucial. Using a pre-made editable Canva resume template can save job seekers time and effort while providing them with a modern and polished design that can help them stand out from other applicants. So if you got good writing skills and can create good and appealing resumes, you can try and create resumes to sell on Etsy, which you can also easily design with the help of Canva. At number 3, digital product idea is wedding table numbers, and this time too, if you narrow down the search by adding Canva at the end of our search term, the competition comes down a lot by under 2,500. Wedding table numbers are an essential element of any wedding reception, as they help guests locate their tables and add a decorative touch to the overall theme. And you can see these are not very hard to make, as most of the designs are simple and elegant, and a lot of sellers are making good profits by offering these simple table numbers designs for weddings. And you can also easily create such designs, and you can try to stick out from the rest of the competition by creating unique designs with different font styles and color schemes, which can be very easily done with the help of Canva. The next product at number 2 on our list is Calendars, more specifically Canva Calendars. As you can see, there are only about 2,000 results for this product, which is really less competition compared to just normal digital and printable calendars, and it also has enough demand to get new sales. These Canva calendars range from simple themed designed calendars like seasonal designs for each month or having image holders, so the customer can add their own images, and other designs like planners and goal calendar and calendars for businesses. And finally, the number 1 digital product idea on our list is Letterhead Templates, and you can see there are only about 5,000 results. And this time again, if we want to narrow down our search, again by adding Canva to our search term, our results get down to below 1,700 results only. And you can see there are a lot of sellers who are making a decent profit by selling these different types of letterheads. These letterheads range from business to professional and other various purposes. And these letterheads are not that hard to create either, so if you got a bit of writing skill and an eye for good design, you can try creating and selling these easy to make letterheads templates.